The pilot just died mid-air. What now? It sounds like a nightmare, but believe it or not, this is a scenario that's played out in real life. Suddenly, you're not just a passenger, you're the only hope for everyone on board. You're sitting in your seat, heart pounding, tension everywhere. The cabin is filled with nervous whispers and you can feel the anxiety rising like a wave. Every second counts and everyone is looking around hoping someone knows what to do. But listen, don't panic. Modern airliners, they're built to fly themselves. Right now that autopilot is your best friend. These planes are marvels of engineering, designed to handle emergencies and keep flying safely, even if the crew is incapacitated. Check the instrument panel. Odds are, autopilot engaged is glowing bright. That means the plane is maintaining altitude, heading and speed all on its own. It's literally doing the flying for you. Breathe, you have a real chance. First, stay calm. Your mind is your most important tool right now. Take a deep breath, steady your nerves, and remember, you are not powerless. Seriously, this is step one. The autopilot will keep the plane level, gliding right along its intended course. It's designed to handle turbulence, keep the wings steady, and follow the flight plan. Do not grab the controls and start yanking. Resist that urge. Sudden movements can make things worse. Trust the systems that are already working to keep you safe. Let the tech do its thing. The machine is designed for this. Modern jets have layers of redundancy and safety features, all working together to keep the aircraft stable. Next, you need to communicate. This is your lifeline to the outside world, and it's how you'll get the help you need. Look for the radio button, usually a red trigger on the yoke right under your thumb. If you're not sure, look for a button labeled mic or PTT, push to talk. Press it and say, loud and clear, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. State your situation. The pilot is incapacitated. I am a passenger. I need help. Speak slowly and clearly. That one word, it sends shockwaves through the system. Every controller, every pilot in range, they'll know you have an emergency. The entire aviation network is trained to respond instantly. Now comes the talk down. This is where the experts step in to guide you, no matter your experience level. You'll hear a calm, steady voice crackling through the speakers. It might be a controller, maybe another pilot. They're trained for this exact scenario and their job is to keep you calm and get you down safely. They'll walk you through, step by step, listen closely, do exactly what they say. Don't be afraid to ask them to repeat instructions if you're unsure. Sometimes it's as simple as, hold the wings level, descend slowly. They'll help you adjust the controls one at a time so you're never overwhelmed. Keep those wings flat, don't try anything fancy. The goal is to keep the plane stable and predictable. In 2022, a passenger in Florida did this for real. He'd never flown before, but with instructions, he landed safely. Stories like this prove it's possible, even for total beginners. If he could do it, so can you. Ordinary people have become heroes in moments like this, simply by staying calm and following directions. As you get closer, you'll prep for landing. This is where things get real, but you'll have expert voices guiding you every step of the way. If the plane has an autoland feature, and most do, ATC might have you switch on approach mode or set the auto brakes. These systems are designed to make landing as automatic and safe as possible. They'll walk you through flaps, landing gear, all that. Each step will be explained, and you'll have time to react. Even if you have to fly manually, take it slow. Small, gentle movements are key. Don't rush. Precision is more important than speed. There was a 77-year-old who landed a small plane this way. He'd never even touched the controls, just followed instructions. You can too. Age, experience, none of it matters as much as your willingness to listen and stay calm. Now you're almost there. The runway is in sight, and you're moments away from the most important landing of your life. The runway's up ahead. The autopilot might handle the landing, but if not, just guide the plane gently. You'll hear, brace, wheels down, follow those final instructions, and trust the process. Stay calm, hold tight. Most talk-down landings, they end safely. The professionals on the ground are with you until the wheels stop rolling. At Humberside Airport, experts literally guided a total novice to a perfect touchdown. It's happened before and it can happen again. You are not alone. There's a whole team of people rooting for you, ready to help you succeed. The wheels hit the runway, the cabin shakes, and yes, you're down. You made it. The impossible just became possible, thanks to your courage and the guidance of experts. Take a moment to let it sink in. You just did what most people only see in movies. If you've stuck with me this far, you just survived the unthinkable. You've learned the steps and you know what to do if the worst ever happens. Remember this checklist, share it. You could save lives. The more people know, the safer we all are in the skies. Hit subscribe for more survival guides and comment, survive if you want a full visual walkthrough for any aviation emergency. Your feedback helps us make more life-saving content. You got this. Remember, in the sky or on the ground, knowledge is power, and you're now prepared for the ultimate test.